Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from happiness.com, and we're doing a quick unboxing, a super quick unboxing of one of the newest offerings from Globe that they have. It's called the Xtreme Prepaid. So this is the culmination of all the items that they brought out last year or last 2 years. If you remember, they brought out the Globe Prepaid Home Wi-Fi. After that, they brought out the Chromecast. Tapos after that, the Streamwatch, and they also had the Mi Box. Okay, if I understand it correctly, this is everything plus something more. Okay, so roll that all into one, and this has more pa. It's powered by Android TV. It's only 2,999. The same to offer. The normal price is supposed to be 4,999. It's already has an internet, may free channel siya, and internet TV. Okay, so I have no idea what the internet TV is. Well, you know what I mean. Okay, you can connect multiple devices, karaoke ready. Pwede. You can mirror from your phone, play videos from USB. May internet na siya na LTE. No monthly fee. Reloadable. Okay, so we're gonna open it up. Okay, there it is. It's open. There's the manual. Okay, we will use that if we need to. There's an antenna. Here's the actual device. Okay, so before we get to the other things, there's two antennas. In the front, there's two microphone jacks. Yung standard na microphone, if you see. That's it. It's called the Globe Streamwatch. Streamwatch din yung isa yun. Okay. HMI, RJ45 jack, power. This is a AV cable, audiovisual cable, na malamang ang dulo nito ay RCA. Coaxial cable. Port. Or, yun na yun. Alam nyo. You understand what I'm saying. Okay. So, let's put it down here. Okay. Antenna. Alisin na nga na ito sa mesa. Gulo ng mesa ko, no? Galing to. Okay. There's a warranty certificate. Antenna. Power. Cord. Batteries for the and the remote control. Okay. So, that's what's inside the device. So, to set it up, maganda yung ginawa nila, no? I like what they did. They gave you the AV cord and the RCA, kasi this is very hard to find. Okay, but I don't need that since I have HDMI. We're gonna connect this Globe Streamwatch or Xtreme Prepaid sa TV. I have a mass 32-inch TV right here, right in front of me, which I bought from Shopee. The power cord. Okay. We'll change the view later when we turn the TV on. Okay. So it's as simple as just attaching everything same So the power, okay. Ito may antenna siya. It's supposed to be outdoor. I guess this is for that free TV. So mahaba yung cord, ayan, see. Okay. So may takip pa mismo yung the mismo antenna as cover. So may antenna siya. Magnet yata to, so I'm not gonna put it there. Oh, sorry. I'm not gonna put it there on on top of the pala, mali yun, kasi baka ma-magnetize yung laptop natin. Yeah, so we're gonna, the antenna, buti mahaba yung niya. So see, coax siya. Aaron, can you put this antenna by the get it from the left side. Left side. Put it out there with the ano. By the window. I guess you can also use this a car if you want. But you need yung monitor that can accept RCA signals. Okay, so yan, masigil na siya. So as you can see now, everything is lighting up. Oh, ngayon everything is lighting up. Last night may isa akong red. Okay. The number that you have for your phone is here already in the front for your device to load it up. Okay, it's there. The username password for your Wi-Fi is in the back, along with the IP address to be able to access the ano. I don't see any port. Ayun, maybe this is the port for the SIM card. Yeah, I can feel something popping there. So that's the SIM card there. Okay. So we're gonna stop this so that you can see the view of the TV.